Hey, this is Ed, your landscape coach. We're going to do an unboxing of the Feed Garden Landscape Staples. I ordered these online on Amazon to try them out to see how good they are and just to get an idea of what type of quality these particular staples are. They're 6-inch, 11 gauge galvanized steel. We got 50 plastic gaskets and 50 galvanized garden staples, which is pretty cool because I never used the gaskets before. Normally I use this pretty much galvanized staple, supposedly galvanized, but this is what it looks like. It's just basically a piece of wire that's had the ends tapered, and over time, this is what happens. If you can see, it's rusting. This is one that I pulled out of the ground. It's probably been in the ground for maybe a month or two, and it's already starting the rusting process. So let's just unbox this and see what we got going on here. It says Feed Garden. One thing I noticed that they have is this tool. It's an extraction tool, so we can pull the staples out. If you make a mistake or if you need to pull them out, that's pretty cool. It comes with the box of staples. And this is our staple here, so you can do a comparison. It's a lot lighter, galvanized steel. Seems like it. Yeah, it's a little bit more heavy. This is kind of medium weight, but if you notice, this is all galvanized. It's just like it's supposed to be galvanized here, but if you look at it, it rusts up. So only time will tell if this galvanized steel is actually what it says and it doesn't rust in the ground. And they have a whole bunch of these discs in here, these plastic discs. And these discs are pretty cool because what they do is they help hold down the fabric. So move this out of the way. So as you can see here, it has a really nice striking point, but I think the main objective of this disc is to be able to hold down the fabric in place. So it's nice and solid and the fabric doesn't come up. If you put the staple in directly, say like this, without that disc, there's a possibility of it ripping. Just so happens I ran into a root there. But the possibility of it ripping the fabric is heightened. So as you can see here, when I pull that fabric up, it's going to rip right there where the edges are. And they already started to rip there. As opposed to here, it's not going to rip. So even if you happen to walk across it while you're doing the installation, it's not going to rip out and you have a problem there. Let's see how this extractor works. Oh wow, this is nice. Usually I use a screwdriver or something or some pair of pliers, but this is better. It makes the job a lot easier. And it comes with every box of these staples. So that's a bonus. So I give this staple a very high mark. You get 50 in a box. I think it's under 20 bucks. Comes right to your house. Check it out on Amazon. This is your Feed Garden landscape staple, galvanized landscape staple. Highly recommend it.